Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace a Serpentine belt on a Mercedes 3.2 V6 engine right here guys. That's a CLK, but the ML E-Class, everything without 3.2 will be about the same procedure. We're doing quite a bit of disassembly today. You do not have to do any of that stuff. We just needed more room so we can show you exactly how the belt procedure works. So we're going to need a 17mm socket now. Okay, and there is a place right there on the tensioner pulley where you install the socket. Go counterclockwise. Okay, and we will be able to pull the belt out. Okay, now let go. And we can actually go ahead and remove the whole belt. Okay, you see it's coming out of there now. Perfect. So that's the belt guys. Whenever you're ready to install a new one, stay with us and we'll show you how the diagram is and how to install it now. Alright guys, so when you're ready to install it, okay, we're going to go on the power steering pump, then AC compressor. From there, no, it goes all the way to the crankshaft right here. Okay, and from the crankshaft it should go to the tensioner pulley. Okay, all the way down. Brand new belt installing now, it will be a little bit tighter. Then we need to go to the water pump, from water pump the alternator, and the last one will be that pulley here. Okay, so you need to make sure you get your 17mm in place. Go as much as you can, counterclockwise. Put the belt on. One thing, that last check you need to do, that everything is lining up really good. You need to check all the grooves on all the pulleys. And that will be guys all. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.